Unleashing change, the power of rattling some cages. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's as vivid as it is powerful: rattling some cages. Whether you're navigating through the nuances of English for daily communication, enhancing your vocabulary for academic success, or simply exploring the language's rich tapestry of expressions, understanding phrases like this can add depth and dynamism to your English skills. So, let's get started and unravel the essence of rattling some cages together. At its core, rattling some cages is a metaphorical expression used to describe the act of doing something that provokes or stirs up a reaction, often from people in authority or from those who are complacent. Imagine physically shaking a cage. This action disturbs, excites, or annoys the creature inside. Metaphorically, when someone rattles cages, they're shaking up the usual order of things, challenging the status quo, or bringing attention to issues that others might prefer to ignore or keep quiet about. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to formal discussions, and its usage often depends on the speaker's intent to highlight the need for change or action. Here are a few examples. In social activism, when someone aims to highlight injustices or push for social reforms. In business meetings, where a team member might propose a radical idea to challenge conventional approaches. In personal development, encouraging someone to step out of their comfort zone and challenge their own limitations. It's important to note that while rattling some cages can be seen as positive and necessary for progress, it may also be perceived as confrontational or unsettling by some. Therefore, understanding the context and audience is key to effectively using this expression. Rattling some cages doesn't just describe an action. It signifies a willingness to confront discomfort for the sake of growth, awareness, or change. This phrase embodies the courage to stand up against complacency and the inertia of established systems. By doing so, it can lead to discussions, debates, and ultimately, meaningful transformations in personal attitudes, societal norms, or organizational practices. The impact of rattling some cages lies not only in the immediate reaction it provokes but in the longer-term ripple effects it can create. We hope this exploration of rattling some cages has illuminated its meaning and potential for you. English is a language rich with expressions that capture the complexity of human emotions, actions, and societal dynamics. By understanding and using phrases like this, you can communicate more effectively and vividly. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the power they hold to express, inspire, and instigate change. Thank you for joining us on this linguistic adventure, and we look forward to uncovering more treasures of the English language together.